Some vehicles draw you in with style, speed, or prestige, but owning them can quickly become a financial trap. Seemingly small issues can snowball into costly repairs. Parts can demand a premium, and routine maintenance sometimes feels endless. The thrill of driving can fade fast when every mile comes with a hidden price, turning what should be enjoyment into a test of patience and budget. Today, we will talk about cars that destroy your bank account. So, before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. 1. Cars that destroy your bank account. The 2026 reality owning a car can be thrilling, but some vehicles are notorious for turning joyrides into financial nightmares. In 2026, certain cars stand out for their extraordinary ownership costs, from skyrocketing maintenance bills to rapid depreciation and sky-high insurance premiums. Luxury cars, high-performance sports models, and some European imports top the list because they combine complex engineering with expensive parts, specialized labor, and intricate electronics. Even if the purchase price seems manageable, these vehicles can drain your bank account faster than anticipated. Beyond sticker shock, owners face ongoing costs like premium fuel, frequent tire replacements, costly brake components, and advanced electronic module failures. Cars with exotic materials, turbocharged high-output engines, or adaptive suspension systems often require specialist service, which adds to total ownership expense. In this overview, we'll explore models across categories: luxury sedans, sports cars, SUVs, and exotic imports that consistently impose heavy financial burdens on owners. Understanding which cars are money pits helps buyers avoid painful surprises and make smarter purchasing decisions in 2026. 2. European luxury sedans: Mercedes, BMW, and Audi. European luxury sedans dominate the high-cost segment. Models like the Mercedes S-Class, BMW 7 Series, and Audi A8 are technological marvels, but their advanced electronics, air suspension systems, and complex drivetrain components are expensive to maintain. Even routine maintenance, such as oil changes or brake service, costs significantly more than mainstream cars. Unexpected repairs like module failures, turbocharger replacements, or air suspension rebuilds can easily exceed $2,000 to $5,000 per incident. Depreciation adds to the pain. These vehicles often lose 40 to 50% of their value in the first 5 years, leaving owners with massive financial loss even if they drive carefully. Insurance premiums are also high, thanks to repair costs, theft risk, and luxury market factors. While these sedans offer unmatched comfort and prestige, owners must accept that the ongoing financial commitment can rival or exceed the initial purchase price over a few years, making them a bank account destroyer for anyone unprepared. 3. High-performance sports cars and Porsche, Ferrari, and Lamborghini sports cars are exhilarating, but they can be devastating to your finances. High-performance models like the Porsche 911 Turbo, Ferrari F8, or Lamborghini Huracan demand premium maintenance, exotic tires, and specialized servicing. Parts are expensive, labor is intensive, and even minor wear items can cost thousands. Tires alone for a supercar often exceed $2,000 per set, and brake replacement can match that figure. Depreciation is another concern. While some rare models appreciate, most lose value rapidly, sometimes 20 to 30% in the first year. Fuel costs for high-output engines are also extreme, particularly for naturally aspirated V8s, V10s, or V12C. Insurance premiums are astronomical, often exceeding $5,000 to $10,000 annually, depending on the car and driver history. Even if the car is stored carefully and lightly driven, these ongoing costs make supercars one of the most financially punishing categories of vehicle ownership. 4. Exotic SUVs: Range Rover, Lamborghini Urus, and BMW X. 7 luxury SUVs combine the worst of both worlds: large engines, heavy weight, and advanced tech. Models like the Range Rover, Lamborghini Urus, and BMW X7 are comfortable and fast, but maintenance costs are staggering. Air suspension systems, electronic modules, and high-end drivetrain components often fail outside warranty, with repairs costing thousands. Tires and brakes wear faster due to heavy weight and high performance, adding another recurring expense. Fuel economy is low, insurance is high, and depreciation is steep. For instance, Range Rover models often require $2,000 to $4,000 in routine service annually, with unexpected repairs adding thousands more. Even when buying a certified pre-owned SUV, owners often face maintenance surprises that can easily wipe out any perceived savings. These SUVs are status symbols, but financial prudence requires understanding the true cost before purchase. 5. Luxury electric cars. Tesla, Lucid, and Mercedes EQ, while electric vehicles, EVs, promise lower fuel and maintenance costs, luxury EVs can still destroy your bank account. Models like the Tesla Model S Plaid, Lucid Air, and Mercedes EQS have high upfront costs, expensive replacement parts, and potential battery repairs outside warranty. Advanced electronics, touchscreen controls, and self-driving systems can fail, sometimes requiring costly software fixes or module replacements. Tires for high-performance EVs wear faster due to instant torque, adding to maintenance costs. Insurance premiums are higher for high-end EVs, reflecting repair costs and replacement value. Depreciation is also unpredictable, with some EVs losing 30 to 40% of their value in 3 years, particularly non-Tesla brands with limited secondary markets. Even with lower fueling costs, total ownership expenses can rival luxury gas-powered cars, making these vehicles surprisingly expensive over a 5-year period. 6. Japanese sports cars. Nissan GT-R and Toyota Supra Japanese sports cars are known for performance and reliability, but high-performance variants can be surprisingly expensive. The Nissan GT-R and Toyota Supra offer exhilarating engines, turbocharged power, and track-ready performance, but maintenance, tires, and brakes are costly. Tires wear faster under high power, and brake replacements can exceed $1,500 per axle. While engines are robust, turbo and drivetrain components require careful maintenance to avoid expensive repairs. Depreciation is less severe than European exotics, but insurance premiums remain high due to performance classification. Owners seeking excitement without financial ruin must plan meticulously, as these cars reward careful maintenance but punish neglect quickly. 7. Luxury convertibles and coupes. BMW 8 Series and Mercedes SL convertibles and luxury coupes provide style and driving pleasure, but also carry hidden financial costs. Models like the BMW 8 Series, Mercedes SL, and Audi S5 Cabriolet feature retractable hardtops, advanced suspension, and electronic roof mechanisms, all potential failure points. Repairing roof systems, hydraulic actuators, or suspension modules can cost thousands. Tires, brakes, and specialty fluids add recurring expenses. Insurance premiums for convertibles are higher due to theft risk and accident repair complexity. Additionally, depreciation hits hard, as two-door luxury models lose value faster than sedans and SUVs, often 50% or more in the first 5 years. Enthusiasts enjoy the style and thrill, but ownership comes with a heavy financial burden. 8. High-mileage premium vehicles. Older Audi, BMW, and Mercedes used premium vehicles with higher mileage are tempting bargains, but they can quickly drain your wallet. Older Audi, BMW, and Mercedes models beyond 80,000 miles often require suspension rebuilds, turbocharger replacements, transmission servicing, and electronic module repairs. While purchase price may be low, the cost of parts and labor can easily exceed the initial savings. Rubber components, cooling systems, and fuel injectors also require replacement, adding to cumulative expenses. These cars often require European specialist mechanics, which inflates labor costs compared to mainstream vehicles. Without a meticulous maintenance history, buying high-mileage luxury vehicles can become a financial disaster. If you liked this video and would like to see more like it, please give it the thumbs up. Leave a comment and click the button to subscribe.